Is it?
What?
You guys making?
What?
Quack.
I'm revamping Quackers.
Just Quack Trio.
I'm remaking Quackers.
Who?
No way.
For some reason, I want to make like a person
I just
that's
want
called
you in a
Mr.
box.
Quackerson.
You wanna hear a little bit of it?
Mr. Quackerson or Mr. Duckerson?
They don't
Mr. Quackerson.
Because you like the quack.
Mr. Duckerson.
What's your
It's the quack.
Quack, quack.
Hey, I only go quack.
You remember that one video? It's like quack quack.
Quack, quack.
Goofy out video.
I'm getting so
Goofy out video. I need to use it
I
as
mean,
my
you're
beat
goofy,
someday. I'm the goofiest man in the world.
Okay, water.
You're so dope.
What?
I'm gonna record like the first
Oh my
12
god.
seconds or so of it.
Oh, that's good.
What?
Oh.
Bro, what?
Wait. Do you want to see something?
Your game broken?
Ohio.
Oh wait.
Bro,
they
I
have
just
so
died
many
in
big-
one everything.
They broke Ohio with this one, bruh.
But if y'all start tipping about Ohio, bro.
No, Ohio broke today. What you mean?
Wait, what?
Ohio split into 2 today. What do you mean?
Nah, bro. It actually.
Ohio got like freaking like turned into 2 states.
Nah, bro. Did they actually?
Man, I
I
got Jordan
swear
or
to
not.
God.
Yo,
I wish. That would be funny as hell.
what the heck?
Ohio's now Ohio 1 and Ohio 2.
Ohio 1 and Ohio 2.
The pizza monster.
Hey, yo!
It's me, Mario.
Hey, yo!
It's me, a Mario.
Crap. There you go.
Is it really you, Mario?
Get it.
Yeah.
Yes, God, congrats.
I can't believe it. I can't believe I'm meeting the real Mario.
It's me, a Mario.
Who's
It's
Mario?
me, Mario.
Who's Mario?
Okay. Y'all ready to see the new version of Quackers? Or at least some of it.
Bro.
I say quackity quackers.
Okay.
I can't wait, bro. This is gonna be lit.
A jump poster made
Here we
for
go.
everyone. Wait, hold on.
Is that name? Bro, we got the whole Garfield gang up in here.
Sell 10 items.
Was that it? Was that really it?
That's been a lot of
No, it was just a little teaser.
It's a teaser.
So what do you think about the teaser?
Jay, you should have added the Among Us.
No!
Oh,
That would take forever to find. There's also a second voice line for Lucky now.
what?
There it is.
Yeah.
Who's
And
lucky?
it's from a serious video on his shorts.
Who's lucky?
What is it?
Soda, who's lucky?
You! Who else?
Yeah. I want to talk about it.
Oh, hell no, bruh.
Are you joining or not? Oh, quacker.
I'm trying to. I'm just trying to get this video out.
What video? What, a deleted scene for Quack Team? That's fun.
Shut up.
A deleted scene from Quack Team.
Quack Team, the poopy stinky.
Did you know Quack Team was a thing?
That's crazy.
That's crazy. I would have never freaking known.
Okay, I got
I
both
told
of
you, now
the
you
voice
know.
lines into one.
I can finish 2
Oh yeah, I did a quacking clip.
I made another quacking clip, guys.
I have the 21 and the 22 ready, but I'm not gonna post it till like tomorrow.
Okay, here it is. Both of the voice lines. That's the only teaser you're gonna get for now.
No one likes teasers, bro.
Shut up.
I didn't know that was a teaser. Now you singing.
What
I
anniversary?
like dogs.
Do you get the
And I
joke with
like
that one?
friends.
Please tell me you know the joke. Please
What's
tell me you know
the-
what setting this video is in. The time we were playing Doomstar and I said, for our anniversary.
Oh.
And you said, what anniversary?
Oh, we don't talk about that, bro.
And I started crying. Oh my god.
Our anniversary.
What anniversary?
Why did imagine Timmy sounded like that?
Definitely no high, no swag.
Water.
No high.
Water. What anniversary? What anniversary? Imagine going to a funeral and saying, what anniversary?
Guys, did you know there's fun in
Maybe I want to press the freaking button.
I keep on freaking tripping over my.
Hey, Peter, Michael here.
Hey,
Bro,
Pizza! Pizza!
on my other ducky.
Pizza!
Yeah, look at all my fellow ducklings. They're done quacking. If you know, you know. These are my duckies that are the quack dealers. Why does the first one look so sad though? Why she looks so sad though? My duck.
What? Okay, right now I'm looking at the shorts and one of the videos was, do you like Timmy? And I said, yeah. What? Okay.
Wait, what?
Okay. That one video said,
you know, so did
Bro,
you say?
What about
So.
what? Bro, I don't understand.
what do you
I'm
not
really
understand?
clicking it. I'm clicking it, bro. I'm really freaking clicking.
Nah, bro's confuzzled.
Yes, bro. I'm really
Bro's
confuzzled.
confuzzled.
I don't
Water.
understand. Am I
What?
Water.
or not?
What?
This is gonna be the third clip. This is gonna be the third voice clip.
No, not doing anything but this.
Wow.
What?
I ain't got no points.
No, not freaking this.
It's gonna be that's gonna be the third voice clip.
No.
Oh, wait. Oh, shoot.
The third or the fourth
What?
voice
No,
clip.
that's not even the right way.
Is it
I
just
gotta
going
find
to
the-
be Lucky
Bingo.
saying random stuff the entire time? Is that just going to be the song?
Soda.
You know, you're both gonna be in the song, remember? And that was in the original where you both were in the song, so
Oh,
that's
yeah.
gonna happen again.
I fell off my map.
Instead of just making a reference to your breaking point again, I'll make like a tiny reference of you getting mad
What's a breaking point?
instead.
I have to be in first person for this.
Oh, I just got a really good clip for Lucky, and it said, "Come here, you little freaking midget." What?
What?
That could be used for like nighttime, because nighttime is small, you know, and he gets mad.
Yeah, he gets angry, bro, like you. That's why you're nighttime for a reason.
Day in the past, he said like nighttime sounds really high pitched, like his actual voice.
To be honest, I forgot what he
now he just like sounds very.
He sounds depressed, bro. In the recent verse nighttime songs, bro, he sounded depressed.
Great.
Bro, I just... Does okay, probably not everyone, yeah. Plus, that would be kind of messed up to say.
You cannot defeat the
Why y'all comboing me? I'm just looking at this clip where y'all are comboing me.
What?
The hell?
Guys, remember the clip where
where
Lucky trapped me underground with the dude and I died?
I remember what I was going after a dude underground, and I boxed.
What do you mean by that? What do you mean by that? What do you mean by that? He was going after a dude underground.
Yeah, when we was playing Skywars, like the whole Quacky was playing Skywars, I clicked it somewhere. That's like one of my favorite Quacky clips. What is that timer saying? I keep hearing.
Okay, there. I finally got the clip of you saying, "You little freaking midget." That's gonna be, I think, the fourth clip. Or the third or fourth clip. It's gonna be like, "Come here, you little freaking midget." There's gonna be so much more clips now to obscure references instead of just the same old breaking point and Lucky being trapped in an elevator.
Hey! Where's my gravity coil?
I mean, that could be your gravity coil.
Bro, what you mean by that?
Nothing. Nothing. I didn't mean anything by that.
Defend the statue from the news. Oh shoot, that man got a hammer. Hey yo.
No way, random guy predicts coronavirus. Hey guys, my name is Random Guy.
Soda.
And in 2019, there will be a disease named coronavirus.
Definitely. No, I'm playing.
Soda.
Yeah,
Nightwing.
Yeah, bro.
Huh?
What?
Nightwing. Oh, let's go.
Holy guacamole.
Never said guacamole. I'm dead.
You're dead?
I'm not sure if I got it. Bro, how? What? Hey. Is it just lag or something? You go. Wow.
Okay, I'm gonna try to find the. Okay, I'm trying to find like a good clip of Water being mad, but he's not at his breaking point. There's a bunch of videos of him being mad. I can't find a good one.
The best one I can recall of me getting mad is Black Team plays Skywars. Wawa got mad.
Yeah, that's where your breaking point happened. What do you mean?
Share about my breaking point.
You know what? We're gonna have to make a reference to Breaking Point again, or like before you're breaking his Breaking Point.
The frost giant?
Who's breaking point?
Question more.
What
Okay,
what about the Christmas trials?
Bad at parkour on
Wait, no, second
The Christmas trials, maybe, but I didn't see you really actually get annoying
I
with
love
that.
Christmas trials, bro.
What about the time when I said this is so hard?
Shut up!
Everything's hard.
Cause you sounded more like disappointed and then like less annoyed and more kind of like sad that it was actually annoying. And you weren't even mad at anyone. You were just mad at the game.
Just spam.
If I
The
die
game
in
is-
video ends,
You know what I should have said to you when you got mad?
What?
Don't hate the player, hate the game.
No.
way.
You should have, bro. You should have.
if I die, the video ends.
No.
What are y'all even playing?
Don't press the button. If you can read and
I was gonna join Lucky, but I'm making the song.
I have 1,000,000 coins.
Okay, I found a good clip of Water before his breaking point, and he said, "Why are you being like this?"
what did I do, man?
Okay, by the way, when he sounds in 2x speed, like Water from this one video, from this exact video in 2x speed, he sounds like Kyle from South Park. I'm being for real. He sounds like Kyle from South Park, bro.
I'm really upset South Park. I didn't know
What
you were
about
Why are you
from
being
North
like this?
Park?
Son, I didn't know you were from the South. Soda.
Hey guys, you want to see something cool? Loki, you want to see something cool? Look, it's you. Look.
Okay, Water.
Okay.
I don't know if I should put that's your fault for getting mad, or why are you being like this?
Oh my god, I'm dumb.
I don't know which is better. It's your fault for getting mad.
That's
Maybe control your anger.
double cracker,
What? Water is such a hypocrite. Water is such a hypocrite in this exact video, bro. He said control your
video?
anger and proceeds. It's on the same Mindplex. Water got mad.
I forgot how much I freaking got mad in that video. I forgot it wasn't only just the breaking point part.
It's
I
a
got
hacker.
so mad in that video.
Even the old me really just said you're saying that to the person that you always
So
get
it's a
mad
hacker.
at. Yo,
There's a hacker. Hacker.
my man just faded out of existence for a second, bro.
I can go inside the blade.
Guys, remember the
Malik?
Okay, I have a
better-
It was like
Clip, I have a better clip.
That's
Where he says white.
Royale.
don't hate the plane. Keep the game.
Haha, come to my place. What?
Shut up.
No, that's the noob. You know the
The dude from the face.
you know the noob that like falls from the sky and it's like that's a victory royale. But it doesn't say it anymore. It just like falls from the sky.
What? What? What was that? Am I the only person that heard Water just do a jump scare? Or is that just me?
What?
Well, you are
Like,
doing
Water's
jump
mic
scare.
like bugged out so bad it sounded like a decent jump scare sound effect.
Are you talking about right now or in the video?
No, not in the video, like right now.
I'm just drawn right now, bro.
Can I draw your...
Bruh,
Oh,
how?
you little quackity quacker.
Oh, hell not, Water.
You a quacker? Did you know soda's sexist?
What? What?
Bro, why is this game keep like lagging?
Okay, Water, I got the best clip.
I need 24.
Okay, Water, can you send me a video of you saying what? Like saying what in the most goofiest voice you could imagine?
What? Man, what
the
the
hell?
heck, boy?
Soda.
Huh?
What?
What?
He says, "Say what like your mom's calling you."
What? No, I already got a clip of that. I already got a clip of that. Don't worry.
But you sound like a freaking spy. You're like, "Oh yeah, I got a clip of that already." Well, I'm gonna end the video here. Make sure to like, subscribe if you want more of cartoons. Or should I say me? Catch you on the next video. Bye.